Hello everyone, welcome to Vinoth tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn a sample problem for inconsistent system, that is for no solution. We have already learned how to solve a problem for unique solution and a infinite solution. For the inconsistent system, the condition is rank of matrix A is less than rank of augmented matrix. We have three linear equations. Our first step is to find the coefficient, variables and constants. The coefficient here is represented by matrix A, and you have to write values of each variable. For equation 1, the value of x is 2, the value of y is 6, there is no z, so you can write it as 0. Then for equation 2, the value of x is 6, value of y is 20 and value of z is minus 6. And for third equation, there is no x value, you can put it as 0, and y is 6, z is minus 18. Matrix A, so we wrote the coefficient. After this, variables x, y, z, then constant. The constant value here is minus 11, minus 3, minus 1. The constant is represented by B. The values are minus 11, minus 3, minus 1. From these three equations, we have found the coefficient, variables and constant. The first step is we have to form the augmented matrix. For that, the syntax is A colon B matrix we have to form, nothing but clubbing this to this particular matrix. We have formed the augmented matrix. The next step is we have to form the upper triangular matrix using row elementary operation. Upper triangular matrix means these three values we have to convert to 0. Good part here is luckily we have already 1 0. First let's consider second row, first value 6. How to convert this value to 6? You have to compare second row to the first row. If you do that, the rule will be R2 implies R2 minus, so it is 6. We have to change 2 to 6 means 2 3s are 6. Rule will be 3R1. So the matrix will look like first row remains the same. Now if you apply this particular rule to the second row, the value will look like 6 minus 2 into 3, it will be 0. Then 20 minus 3 into 6, 20 minus 18, it will be 2. Minus 6 minus 0, it will be minus 6. Then minus 3, these two value, minus 3 into minus 11, it will be minus 3 plus 33, it is 30. We applied for second row, third row remains the same. The augmented matrix we got like this. Now luckily it is 0. Then we can consider the next element 6. We have to convert this 6 to 0. The idea is to compare with the row 2. Then rule will be R3 implies R3. The above element is 2. So minus 3 into R2. Now first and second row remains the same. Now apply this particular rule to the third row. Then it will be like the first element is 0. Second element 6 minus 2 into 3, 6 minus 6, 0. Then it is minus 18 minus 3 into minus 6, it will be minus 18 plus 18, it will change to 0. If you do these two elements, minus 1 minus 3 into 30, it will be minus 1 minus 19 minus 91. So the value is minus 91. Now the augmented matrix look like this. From this, what we can conclude? Rank of matrix A, nothing but this value equal to 2, that is number of non-zero rows. Then the rank of augmented matrix, that is this full matrix, it is 3 because this element is not equal to 0. And we already know a condition, rank of matrix A is less than rank of augmented matrix, that is 2 less than 3. If that is the case, then it is an inconsistent system and has no solution. The literal meaning of this is we are having three parallel lines which are not intersecting each other. Let's do a short recap. We have three linear equations. From this we found the coefficient, variables and constant. The first step is we have to form the augmented matrix by clubbing A and B value. Then we have to change that matrix to an upper triangular matrix using the row elementary operation. Finally, once we get our result, we have to check for the rank. Here the rank of matrix A is less than the rank of augmented matrix. So it is an inconsistent system and has no solution. Hope you got a clear idea about how to solve for this scenario. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.